I'm working with more than 100 stores, some small and some making multi-million every year. And they grow at a very different pace, some slow and some are very fast and successful. But it's not about their budget. I discovered a very simple system that separates the fast growing to the other ones. I'll break down the system for you using two real examples from small successful brands. We'll discuss the strategies, how to use the platform, and how to create a successful user experience. So let's get rolling. Let's start from the first business case from a small brand, which is now very successful. I will call this the Product Boutique. So let's look at this example from Beard Brand, which is an American brand very focused on a specific niche and focusing on very specific use cases. You're gonna be winning in becoming the very best in a very vertical niche, like in this case, man beard, but it can be applied to, for example, plant-based meat or sustainable hiking gear, and we can go on. You can see many successful brands, very small e-commerce, very vertical. What you're doing is focusing on 1 to 5 products, it's very small catalog, and they're gonna becoming unique for this niche. You must hit the need much better than all the other generalists and really rock with the storytelling around very small catalog of products. First ingredient for the system is a killer product strategy. Then you're gonna be focusing on creating the very best user experience for your customers. So in this case, you're gonna be creating highly curated product pages. In some cases, you go even further, so you are using landing pages as product pages, so you can contain a lot of storytelling, high quality and rich content, including still images, ambient images, 3D images, videos, customer reviews, reason why to buy, and together with this very specific focus on product pages, you're gonna add a high quality customer service from the website, could be online chat. You're gonna have like free shipping and free returns. You need to establish yourself as a leader for that product in that specific niche with your product, your website, and your service. The service is everything and it's based on your tools and on your strategy. So the second ingredient for the system is the user experience, and you're gonna like really fit a very specific user experience checklist specific for your strategy. The third element of the system is for sure choosing the right platform. So for this kind of strategy, which is very focused on storytelling, on few products, on very few landing page or product pages that need to be rich and contain all the storytelling, you need a strong page builder or website builder, okay? Meaning that you need to be able to work on very creative and high quality product pages without needing to code, and you need to be independent from a technical team to do that. So the best platform to do this are Squarespace or Shopify. Squarespace is born as a website builder, so it's probably better than Shopify in building an institutional website or to create a landing page. It has very interesting drag and drop page builder, so you can design a custom page without the need to code. It has a lot of widgets. Shopify instead is born as an e-commerce platform, so has more power and potential than Squarespace in managing the e-commerce dynamics and logic. But for this kind of strategy, you're starting small, you will be very focused on product, so even Squarespace is very good. Both not free platforms, but very high value for their price. So forget free doesn't exist. Just pay for a high quality product and platform and focus on doing your job of growing a project, of growing a business. Before moving to the second application of the system, if you haven't subscribed to the channel and to my newsletter, on the website you can also find a section where you can submit your store, and I will roast some of the store you submitted every month, and I will make a video review on them to checklist your user experience, to checklist your strategy, and to checklist about this system application. So following, we have a second application of the system, the category killer. So the first one was an application where you go very vertical on products, few products. In this case, you launch your store because you want to become a leader in killing a specific category. For example, design accessories for pets. So we're gonna see together this example of Wild One. It's an American startup. And basically this strategy is a laser focused strategy, becoming a leader with a very vertical category. If you go on a generalist e-commerce for pets, you can find like a dozen of categories. Wild One decided to focus on a specific category for pets, focusing on design accessories for pets. So they are not just killing few products, they are killing an entire category, and they're going very deep and vertical inside this category. You open a specific word on your website with a specific navigation tree that will shine compared to the generalists, because where their navigation ends, yours starts. Where the generalist would stop saying accessories for pet, Wild One started its navigation on first level by saying shop, and we have walk, carry, play, live. So under this, you have another tree of navigation going into walk kit, harness, collar leash, poop bags, and they're going into carry, focusing on travel, focusing on everyday, on play. You have different categories of toys. So this is how you're going laser focus on being and becoming a category killer. So your store is a category killer. Laser focus strategy here. Second, a killer user experience. Navigation design. If you're going to kill a category, your navigation tree must be like outstanding. Multi-level navigation, very well designed and thoughtful about use cases, kits, other packaging options, so other way to buy the same product, becoming more convenient and competitive compared to generalists. So you're gonna have headers, description, and very rich and quality filters and labels. And of course, focus on search, use AI, and user recommendation. So the navigation all around of your website must be killing compared to a generalist, because you need to be the best going inside accessories for pets. So this is the checklist. Talking about the platform, the third ingredient for the system, in this case, you're not still focused a lot on the page builder like on the first business case we just saw. In this case, you're gonna be focusing much more on e-commerce features. So if you're starting small, and this is a small brand strategy, I suggest you to go for Shopify. And you're gonna be focusing on setting up correctly navigation, label, filters to create the best user experience in navigating this category. So to wrap up the system, you need to have a laser-focused product strategy. You need to be killing a niche. And you need to know exactly what you're doing compared to the other generalists. It's a still big opportunity, but very crowded space e-commerce. So you need to be laser focused on what you're doing. Second, your strategy must be followed with the best user experience possible for your customer. You need to kill your competitors and generalists with a user experience which is above the average. And of course, you need to have the right platform. Price is king. So inside your strategy and your customer experience, you need every time to think about the pricing. Are you going to be competitive compared to generalists or to other competition? And you can work with packaging your offer. You can use kits, move the cards on the table, even if you are comparable to the other store's price, to become more convenient or interesting, because you can use the storytelling. And you need for sure to invest on services. So never lose on customer care, on shipping and returns. You need to establish yourself. You need to invest to have first customers, reviews, and to be the brand. You should watch this video about the most important features to kill the user experience in general, so keep watching this. I can't wait to roast your store, so submit it in the comment or on my website. Remember to subscribe and go make tech that sells.